These are some of the very old coins that I have that is very exotic, that cannot be found anywhere else. This is a very old and the one and the only kind that we have, which is from Singapore. It was manufactured in 1993. This is an old Singapore coin. This is a Malaysian $1 coin that is no more in circulation. Okay, this is both the side. These are the sides, and the other side of the Singapore $1 coin, the old version, and the new Singapore $1 coin. So when you compare, you can actually see the difference. That is very obvious about both the coins.
Yes.
So this is the UK shilling, which was, I believe, manufactured. The year is clearly indicated here, which was made in 1800s, 1908. It's not very clear, but however it is made in the year 1908. And this is a very old Singapore $1 coin. It, of course, it's no more in circulation. And nowadays $1 coins are made. We don't have $1 coins anymore, but you can actually see three different kinds of $1 coins. This is the old version, the second, and the current one. This is another $50 Singapore coin. These are Arabian coins, and this is a very old Singapore coin. No more in circulation. This is the masterpiece, the one and the only kind that is around. It was manufactured, which is an Australian penny, bronze Australian penny, which was made in the year 1944. Okay, that is all. If you would like, please subscribe to Daniel's videos if you would like to see more such exotic coins. Thank you.